everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to be making a plant-based smoothie. So join me while I make this healthy plant-based smoothie. So guys, for the smoothie, I'm going to be using banana. I'm going to be using one of this overripe banana and the other one that is not so ripe, because the sweet one will bring out the sugar, the sweetener for my smoothie. I'm going to be using an avocado, another powerhouse smoothie guys, healthy smoothie, dairy free, and I'm going to be using this mango here, and also some of the sea moss gel that I made. If you have not seen that video, you could go over to take a look at I have two videos out, one on the benefits of sea moss and one also how I showed you how I make the gel. And then I'm going to be adding this coconut water guys, and as you know, I'm in Canada and it's cold. Okay, it is cold in Canada, and I don't need ice at this point. These things are coming from the fridge, so they're cold, so I don't need ice. But for you making the smoothie, you could add your ice. You're in a hot country, go ahead and add ice, top it up with ice. So let's get into the video. My coconut water here, a half cup of coconut water. I'm going to be putting two bananas. I'm going to be putting this overripe banana, and this one that is not so ripe. Guys, now I'm gonna be putting the avocado. I love avocado. Comment down below guys and let me know if you love avocado. And if you don't even like avocado, there are ways you can find their recipes, their ways to, you can put it in a smoothie, blend it out, and you won't taste the avocado. But just want to encourage you guys, let you know that avocado is good for you. For me, I rather have avocado and bread than the butter. I got my avocado. And then now I'm going to be putting I'm going to be adding the sweet mango. Guys, look how juicy and delicious this mango looks. I wash my hands guys, so I'm just squeezing everything here, okay? I'm squeezing it. If you want, you can cut it, but all you have to do is wash your hands clean. Nothing is going to waste here. Cutting it, I just squeeze it like a lime. Squeeze it and get all the juice out. Look at this mango, guys. It's good. So sweet. Mango is good guys. It was delicious. It was the best. Mango was sweet like sugar, like honey. And then here's the star of the show. Well, we have several stars. Everything, I would say everything in this smoothie is a star. The banana, the avocado, the coconut water, and the sea moss gel. What I'm making here guys, it's just one serving, okay? So I'm not gonna overdo it on the sea moss. I'm gonna be putting this much sea moss. There it is. And that's all. Then I'm gonna blend the smoothie, guys. I won't put any vanilla or, because I'm working with avocado. The only thing I would put is cinnamon, but I want to get the mango flavor and everything. I want to just taste everything naturally that went in. I don't want any cinnamon or nutmeg or anything to come in its way. This is all I'm gonna put in the smoothie. Make your smoothie, you blend it to a smooth consistency. Now guys, I'm not forgetting anything. That's all. Okay, no snow, no ice, because as I showed you in the video before, it's snowing outside. Well, the snow might be melting, but it's cold. And guys, just to get a peek, what is this, guys? What is this called? Comment down below and let me know if you know what this is called. I won't say what it is until the next upload, but take a look at it. If you know what it is, comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to drink this goodness for you to see. I'm happy to share the smoothie with you. It's nutritious. This is another powerhouse smoothie that makes you strong. Okay, so guys, lifting your weights, working out regularly, going for walks, taking walks, and you know, lifting some weights is good for you. Taking walks and lifting your weights, if it's even 2 or 3 times a week, even though I haven't been doing that for years now, guys. I should get back to doing that, but it's a way to keeping a healthy body. Taking walks, you don't have to do any vigorous exercise. Taking walks and lifting your weights is good for you, especially those of us that are losing bone mass. As you age, you lose bone mass the older you get. You know, lifting weights is, you sitting watching the TV, you lift your weights. It's good for you guys. Get your heart pumping. Tis the season to be jolly. This smoothie is creamy and rich, guys, and I'm gonna be chilling this. I'm gonna be chilling the remainder. Cheers, guys. Chilling the remainder and drinking it. Tis the season to be jolly. Cheers. This is good. That overripe banana, it did sweeten this smoothie like honey. So those overripe banana you have sitting in your house, don't throw them away. They're very useful. It's perfect, guys. And also, guys, I want to show you something. Just a second. What I bought, guys. I bought bake pans that I never owned in all my life. I never owned these kinds that you open at the side. So I'm looking forward to using these bakeware. I also got this one. This is a bun pan, and this is what? This is a 16 cup, 10 by 4¼ inch. And the first one is first one they didn't put the size. Oh well. Comment down below, guys, if you think you know what size pan this is, because they didn't put the size on it. For some reason, this this they don't put the sizes on it. Maybe the size is there somewhere. Oh, this is a 10 inch. It's at the back. The size at the back, 10 inch by 3. 10" by 3" and I suppose it's at the back, and this one is a 6" by 3". So the size is engraved in the back size of the pan there. Engraved in the back, because if you buy a big pan, guys, it is supposed to tell you the size, right? And this one is 8" by 3". And I like these pans. I never had own any of these pans before. You open the side of it, and your cake comes out easily. Guys, another thing, Vlogmas. I don't know how it's going to go with me for Vlogmas, guys, because it's my first Christmas on YouTube, and I haven't really seen any cooking channel other than the vlog channels doing Vlogmas. But apparently Vlogmas, you can do it for like the entire December, from December 1 to the 30th, which you upload videos every day. I don't think I would be able to do that for the month of December. Or some people do for the first 12 days of December. Some people do from the 12th of December down to the last day of December. They upload videos. But if I'm uploading videos, it would be the latter part. It would be from the 12th to the end of December for every day. Every day you upload a video, Vlogmas, for Christmas. But we'll see how that goes, guys. I'm not sure I'm going to be doing that, okay? But I'll see how it goes. Manage to make some videos that I can schedule for a daily upload. And those pans, guys, I bought them at Winners, and I got one on discount because it was a bit cheap, so I asked them to reduce it. It wasn't much. I got some big pans that I'm excited about, and this is this one pan here. Oh yeah, I told you the size, so there it is if you want to see the pans again. And this one, you can see the size there. Size of the pan. This is the smallest one. Oh, you want to see the price for the pan, guys? That's one, and that's one, and this one doesn't have the price. Oh, this is the one I got reduced. Okay, guys, so also, guys, I was wondering why is it sometimes that I have so much lint flying around, like, even though I tried to get rid of. But then I noticed, guys, my lighting, it gathers dust. There's my lighting. My lighting here, I have to make sure I clean it like daily, because, or even once a week, because this thing here, I find I was wondering why is it that I have so much lint in my background, but this thing, like the simplest of thing, it brings off something. So I noticed I just have to clean it. Okay, guys, so I was wondering why is there so much things like flying in the background. So guys, thanks for joining me in another video, and you enjoy the rest of your day, okay? So comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, and guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy the rest of your day.